So first thing we need to do is register a new user. Here you can see that the SMS worked properly. Then we need to log in this user. We can move throughout the menu using the joystick. And if we go to the option 5, we can see how long the system has currently been up for. And we can modify the time of a game, which is defaulted to 30 minutes. If you change values and then press the star key, it cancels the edit, and you see we have 30 minutes. However, if we change it and then press the hash key, next time we go to modify, it's saved. You see on option 3 we have the marquee tool for the display as it exceeds the number of characters, and currently we cannot use the third option because we don't have any saved scores. So if we try and do that option, it just resets the display. And if we play a game, we get on the Java interface asking us to select a game mode, and as you can see it receives the name properly, and on the putty we see that it does the time correctly, although the time I entered was wrong as it's 75, but it counts down properly. On the game we can either use the joystick or the joystick and the keypad or the putty interface to play. So we can move using the joystick and we can enter values using the keypad, or alternatively we can move and enter values using the putty interface. So if we select the interface and then enter a value here, you see we get the value, and using the keyboard to move around through. Then if we end the game using the star key, I'll just show you that it ticks down to 4 minutes once it reaches. There you go. So if we press the star key, the game ends and begins sending all of the errors to the board. And then shows us our final score and how much time was remaining. Then if we go back to the optional 3, it shows us our score. It does not do the marquee as there is only one score. So if we now go to the logout, it displays our name. If we try and log in with a username and password that don't exist, it sends us back to the main menu. And if we try and register under a name that already exists, it sends us back to the menu. So if we register a new user, and then play a game with this user. So play a game. You can also you hear the song. And if we just end this game now and receive all the errors, we should then in the show general top 5 scores be able to see both the first score that we set and the score that we set now. So if we now go down to show general scores, we see that the marquee works properly and it shows both of the scores that are registered in this